Maintenance coordination. What exactly is it? So, when a tenant is in a property and there's work that needs to be done, either the toilet's clogged, heater's not working, no hot water, fence blew down, whatever it may be, there's a lot of work that goes into that, right? One, we're logging it into our system so we can keep track of the maintenance of the property. And that's useful for you as a property owner. Down the road, something doesn't go well, and the tenant says, "Hey, I'm not paying rent because the condition of this property." We can show documentation of, "Look, we've responded to all your work orders." We take pride in our response time, not just recognizing the work order, but actually getting it done. At the time of this recording, we were right at 3 days from start to finish. So that's important for us, something we monitor. So keeping those records, coordinating with vendors, whether it's a third party vendor or working with our maintenance company. There's a lot of back and forth there. We have getting approvals. If you're one of the owners that's decided to get a home warranty, we don't necessarily recommend that, but we will work with them. There's definitely a lot of back and forth there and making sure that the vendor they assign actually got the job done, making sure, checking with tenants, did the work actually get completed? Is there any follow up that's needed? Because the number one reason why a tenant leaves a property is they're not happy about how maintenance is being done. Largest expense a property owner has is a tenant leaving. So by really being on top of maintenance, we feel that we are keeping tenants in place, which then is protecting your cash flow, your net operating income as an owner. And that's something that we value and we think is really, really important. So maintenance is something that we specialize in, and we feel that by doing this well, we're helping you. So when we coordinate maintenance on our standard plan, there's a $20 per occurrence, and we feel that's a better way of dealing with this rather than doing like a percent markup. Because one, whether the job costs $400 or $10,000, the fee is the same. So there's no incentive to try to find like a higher price option, right? So we feel that our interests are aligned there, property manager and property owner. If you're on our 12% plan, maintenance coordination is included. So that is one benefit to our premium service, is that maintenance coordination is included. So why separate it? If you're in a brand new home, as a property owner and you're thinking of renting it, the odds of it having maintenance are a lot lower than a property that was built turn of the century or in the 40s. So based on your property and kind of where you feel, it may make sense to have the 12% plan if you think that there are going to be a lot of work orders. We're on our standard plan, 8%. Maybe you don't think there's going to be that much maintenance involved on the property. So doing it, you're saving on your monthly. And when there happens to be a maintenance item, that $20 fee would kick in per work order. So hope that explains. Again, if there's any questions, be more than happy to help you. I'm Wolfgang Croskey, broker here at Croskey Real Estate, and we hope to be able to work with you in the future.